Hello there everyone, and welcome back once again to the Gramophone channel. Today we're going to be continuing to talk about our journey through Sonus faber. So welcome to part 4, Sonus faber, Artisan Speaker Finishing. Now again, this is a 5-part series, so if you have not seen especially the previous parts yet, make sure you go check them out. I will have the links right down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date and make sure you catch every part of this great series. Now, let's dive in. With the cabinets having been constructed, they'll now be sent over to the finishing shop, and this will be their last stop before final assembly. First up is staining. The appropriate stain will be applied by hand spraying the cabinet in a cross-hatched application pattern and in multiple layers to ensure perfect coloration throughout the cabinet. The quality of the stains being used is such that color will be rich and eye-popping, but the natural wood grain will not be obscured. And this seemingly small detail is absolutely essential, as the identity of all things Sonus faber being a natural material represents the very crux of who Sonus faber is. After the stain has set and thoroughly dried, it must now be accentuated and protected so that its beauty will last for decades to come. A clear coat varnish is applied in a cross-hatching pattern, much like the stain was, and also in multiple layers for increased shine and durability. Take careful notice that during both these processes, just how professional and effective Sonus faber's application room is. Between the care taken by the artisans both in the cleanliness and safety, as well as in the sealed room with waterfall catch, we can see Sonus faber's commitment to a manufacturing process that could not be any better. After the last coat of varnish has completely dried, we are on to the final step, which is polishing. For the first round of polishing, the cabinet will be laid on its side and polished by a machine via the use of a polishing belt and a hand-applied compound. After the machine polish, it's time for the final touch. And how wonderful that it all ends by hand. Using a careful hand polish, the cabinet will be gone over multiple times until a picture-perfect result worthy of the finest living spaces in all the world has finally been achieved. We here at Gramophone are a proud provider of the Sonus faber product line, and if you want to learn more, please give us a visit at gramophone.com or schedule a demo at one of our 3 showroom locations. You'll find us in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And don't forget to shop online at skybygramophone.com with secure checkout and fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thank you all once again for watching. I am so excited that you're here. I'm really enjoying doing this series. So if you had a good time as well, please give it a like and stay tuned for part 5, which will be the conclusion of our Sonus faber journey. And until then, be seeing you.